Hello, in this video we'll be looking at the structure of the eye. This presentation is for Key Stage 3, not Key Stage 4, as it is not in much depth. Let's look at the different parts of the eye. The part that the light focuses on is called the lens. The lens is held by the suspended ligaments. You then got the iris, the pupil, the color part, the cornea, the retina at the back of the eye, and the optic nerve. What does all these different parts do for the eye? So, the cornea is see-through skin that covers the front of our eye. We got the scala. This is the tough skin which covers the outside of the eyeball, the white of the eye. Iris controls the amount of light that enters the eye, and the iris is the color part of the eye. And what you will notice that in the dark, the lens gets bigger to allow more light to go in, and in the light it goes smaller. And this process of making the lens bigger and smaller is called accommodation. The pupil is the hole in the color iris that allows the light to go through in the eye. The lens itself is where the light focuses onto the retina. It changes the shape to make sure the picture on the retina is as clear as possible. The retina at the back of the eye is like a movie screen which shows the picture you're looking at, however it's upside down. The optic nerve sends electrical messages from the retina to the brain, and the job of the brain is to change the picture that we're looking at in the correct way. Do you see how this image has been drawn? So in reality, when our eye is looking at an image, our eye looks at the image upside down. It's the job of the brain to reverse the image and for us to look at things in the right way, just like the camera does. If you look at the eye has short-sighted or long-sighted. Usually people get really confused what they mean. So long-sighted is when the eyeball is too short or the lens and the cornea reflected light is too little or less or weak. To correct this, you will need to use convex or converging lenses. So the ray of light is focusing on the retina itself, which it doesn't do originally as the ray goes beyond the retina. And long-sighted means that you can't read near things closer. The opposite of long-sighted is short-sighted. So short-sighted is where the eyeball is too long or the lens itself long, so the cornea reflects the light that's too much and too strong for the eye. And to correct that, you're going to need a concave or diverging lens. And their job is to make sure that the ray now focuses correctly onto the retina. And short-sighted means when you can't see from far away. If you liked the video, then don't forget to subscribe and like.